Each year, the Master Big Data and Business Analytics students at ESCP Business School organizes an hackathon. The Master trains experts and future leaders in business analytics and artificial intelligence. The 2020 edition took place during a period of lockdown. Wei Zhu, professor and scientific co-director of the program, explained to us how the organization had to be modified to adapt to the situation, but before, he reminds us the main projects presented during the hackathon.
We organized 3 projects with Criteo, Eurowatt, and Equisafe, respectively. With Criteo, our project theme is Marketing 4.0, moving from the traditional to digital insights with big data. With Eurowatt, our theme is Smart Wind Farms towards a renewable and sustainable future in energy. With Equisafe, the research theme is Blockchain in FinTech, explore decentralized finance.
What is the goal for the hackathon?
The goal of the hackathon is to train our students to be familiar with the real industry practice.
How did you adapt the organization of this event in the context of confinement?
Well, this is the first decentralized hackathon, probably in the history of hackathon, because hackathon is normally organized in a very tight period, and all the teams work together, all the teammates all work together, morning, afternoon, evening, together, physically being together. And it has been a great week, nevertheless, that all our students had the chance to work on these extremely interesting projects. We are all very proud of their achievement at the end.
Wei Zhu can be proud of his students who did the first decentralized hackathon, as Alexandre Lashkar, in Master of Science of Big Data and Business Analytics and Big Data Club president.
So this year hackathon was a bit special, I think, with the lockdown situation in the whole Europe. But we managed to work remotely with all my teammates, and we managed to do Skypes, Google Hangouts, and meetings on a daily basis to maintain a really good work dynamic, even though we were alone in our room working on this project. We had so much support from our professors as well. We had a daily meeting with Wei Zhu, but we also had support from more technical professors when we had difficulties on some coding. And we also had a daily meeting with the company we were working with. So even though we were alone, we were supported by a whole team behind it.
What did the hackathon bring you personally?
So I think as a student, it's always good to apply what all the theory we learned in school, but it's good to apply it to a real case. So we really put ourselves in the shoes of a consultant, on a digital consultant, and we managed to bring solution to companies with our technical background. So it was a great experience to apply what we learned, like the strategy part and then the coding part. We applied it to those firms, and we managed to do really good projects. And it's a good first experience for the working environment as a student to apply all our skills.
A good hackathon implies some partner companies. Criteo, the famous advertising platform for the open internet, was one of them. Camille Lehuger, data analyst for Criteo London office.
It's a great opportunity for us to inspire students to work in data. So for us, it's a great way of showcasing what we do on a day-to-day basis and hopefully inspire students to work in this in the future. Criteo, is part of the ad tech industry, and taking part to the hackathon is a great way as well to make the students discover what the ad tech industry is.
What was the problem you proposed to the students, and what solution did they try to bring you?
So we gave the students 3 years of anonymized data about the client performance with Criteo. So it was quite a big data set of more than 5 million rows and more than 11,000 clients. And the goal of the hackathon was to study the client evolution over time and trying to better understand the dynamics, explaining why a client is successful with Criteo and why also Criteo is successful for a client. So we had a lot of different answers to this broad topic, and we were quite impressed by the diversity of it. So some students did some churn analysis, trying to predict in how many months a client would stop working with Criteo, whereas some other students worked on the adoption of new products And now we're going to work internally to see how this could help us in the future, how those leads could be used in our day-to-day work, in our modeling.
This year's hackathon was ever richer in experience than the previous one. Adaptability and agility were the watchwords of the 2020 edition.